today I thought I would give you a speedy clean. I kind of wanted to show you what my room looks like every morning after I've put the girls to bed for their morning nap, because we bring them in the morning, we give them their milk, and then we obviously have to get ready, and they leave it like an absolute tip. So I thought what I'd show you is how I clean it up, speedy clean every morning, so then you'd get an idea. Okay? I have to excuse the mess. So I'll come in to the bedroom and ignore that. That is basically summer wardrobe that needs to be put away. So this is all my hair stuff, and this is what they play with, and every morning they get out. I've got a little box there and they get it all out one by one, and they just feel the need to chuck it everywhere. You've got up here, you've got all milk bottles, you've got my hair dryer from where I've used it, wires, candles, because what I have to do is I have to take everything off my side tables. As you see, they're pretty bare, so it's more child friendly. And then at the end of the day, or at the beginning, once I've tidied everything up, I can put it back on there, so it looks nice. I have cushions on the floor. I've got my bed unmade. I've got my partner's clothes, Stephen's clothes, all on the floor. I don't think that's so much of a child. I think that's more him. And yeah, so it's just like a bomb site. But every morning when I've put them to bed for their nap, I come in and I just tidy it up so it looks like a nice room that I actually want to come in the evening. Anyway, so I'll get cracking, and yeah, I'll speak to you after. So now it is complete. It's all done and tidied. All the hair stuff has been put away into that little wicker basket. Up here is all tidied as well. Excuse the fingerprints. I think I actually need to go and get some glass cleaner for that. The side tables have been cleared. The bed has been made. And over there is clean. And what a difference it makes just to come in of an evening now and have a nice room. That's not a tip. And also get into a bed, a freshly made bed. There's nothing better in my eyes. I hate getting into a bed which hasn't been made. It just doesn't feel right. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching my speedy tidy. It didn't take me very long at all, and I look forward to seeing you in the next post. Bye.